If you want to find and manage sound settings in Microsoft Surface Duo, you have to open the settings, find sound options, at the first we can adjust volume level of media, calls, ringtone and the alarm. So we can make it by moving these dots on the left or the right. In this place we can activate or deactivate vibration for calls. Here we can customize and turn on the do not disturb mode. Another option is shortcut to prevent ringing. So we can turn it on or turn it off and then set up to vibrate or mute. And we can use this option by pressing power and the volume up button together. Below we can find phone ringtone. We can change it. Here we got the default notification sound. And the last one is default alarm sound. Below we can find other sounds and vibration options, like screen locking sounds or the touch sound. We can enable them and disable. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.